Welcome back YouTube. I have here the Galaxy S22 Ultra running the latest One UI 5 second beta, guys. That's very important, right? So it's the One UI 5 beta to Android 13, and I have here the Galaxy Z Flip 4 based on the latest One UI 4.1.1 based on Android 12. So that's very important, guys. One UI 5 beta 2, One UI 4.1.1, and this video is going to be all about animations. I know and I see there are a lot of heavy, intensified discussions in regards to the animations, and everybody just saying how bad something is, but I always complain about some of the animation like this one. But if you've seen some of my recent videos, I am very happy with the state of One UI 5 beta 2, alright? And I see some people really taking this to the next level, like the animations in One UI 5 are so bad and they're so different, and I don't really think they're way different from the ones we have here. So this video is going to be about animations. I'm gonna show you guys some stuff, and then please, the comments are yours. So I'm not here to judge, I'm just here to show you some basic things. So I'm gonna start with a double tap, which will lock the screen, single tap to activate the always on display, a double tap to activate the lock screen, and then of course entering from here with my fingerprint and from here with my fingerprint. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So it's set that I cannot show you, but it's pretty much the same. All right, now while I'm here on my, so to speak, desktop or home screen, I'm just going to hold my finger. All right, so one more time, pay attention to the way both phone works, guys. One more time in slow motion. Alright, then the next thing I'm gonna show you guys is going to the right, which will eventually get me my Google Feed. Okay. Right, now one more time in slow motion. Right, now I'm going to show you, right, how I access my settings. Okay, I'm just gonna do this slowly and then in slow motion, okay. Alright, when I do like this, guys, I have first blur on my home screen, and then I see all my icons falling down, and when I do here, I just see nothing until of course I get to the animation. So probably, again, that's better software, guys, it's probably gonna be different, but let me do this one more time, slow motion. Alright, now once I'm here, guys, I'm just gonna do one more time to just access and see my quick settings. Alright. Okay, pretty much the same, I would say. One more time in slow motion. Alright, guys, after we got this out of the picture, now let's try to open the social folder. So some animations from folder opening and apps, recent apps, and etc. And yes, I promise there's gonna be camera. So, opening a folder, all right? One more time. Okay, now slow motion. Okay, now I'm going to go inside my folder and open one of the applications. Let's say Telegram. Okay, now I'm going to access my recent menu. All right. Yep, now back to my home screen. Now I'm gonna go recent menu. Okay, close everything. Open my social folder. Open Telegram. Alright, now just again go outside. Now let's try to open Facebook. Alright, now go outside. I have a feeling it's very similar, but let me know what you think, guys, down below in the comments. So let me now open phone. Alright. Exit the phone. Okay, yeah. Now let me open the Galaxy Store. Okay, I think even this one here was very much in the same way animated. Now let me just go, guys, and open the camera. I promise. Camera. Alright, switching, one more time, go to video, say hello, switching, All right, one more time. Again, back to my home screen. Now let me just go inside the settings. Okay, scroll down, scroll up. Right, even this animation, guys, see, even this animation looks to be very, very much familiar. Now what we can do, guys, we can just try to turn those phones around. All right, yep. Now let's try to open the social folder. Let's try to go for Telegram, scrolling like this. Okay, now let's just try to go back. I think even this animation, pretty much similar, guys. So what we can do is show one more time the notification. Now, of course, they just look different because that's here Android 13, One UI 5 Beta 2, and this here is still on Android 12. Yeah, let's try to open some more applications. The media folder. Let's try to open Mixcloud. Yeah, Recents menu. Now let's go again and open Spotify. All right, take some time. And by the way, if you didn't really watch my speed test with the first beta and this phone, yeah, I can just do this here. Now let me just go back to Recents menu or Recents applications. Okay, all there. Let's close all. I just have a feeling it's pretty much unique. No, I'm joking. It's the same, guys. Now let's go to access the app drawer. Yep. All right, just scrolling. Yep. Okay, now let's click here on the search. Pretty much the same, guys. Yeah, now let's just go back. One more time, go to the right to access Google. Okay, one more time like this. Let's open the Play Store. Okay, let's now minimize it. Hey guys, let me know what you think down below in the comments. Do you think really that the animations in the One UI 5 Beta 2 are so much different? I don't think so. To me, it looks they're pretty much the same. And what I really want to see is no lags, no stutters. And honestly, I don't have any other complaints with the animations. I'm not sure if they're so unnatural or whatever. Yeah, that's really not serious, guys. It is what it is. I do like it. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Subscribe if you already haven't. And yeah, please stay safe. VST over and bye.